Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now what we have here is another unboxing, but this one is a different one because this one are old coins. It is or they are ancient coins from the Roman era. It is found in the Balkans. These coins, and it is from the second to the fifth century mints. And according to the seller, these types ranges from the Trajan Emperor Trajan era to the early 5th century. And yeah, they mostly need cleaning. So we'll see what they are. These are just a bargain coins. So it is cheap, but that's why we need to clean it. We need to identify it ourselves. And here they are. Well, yep, here we go. I think he already identified it for me. I don't know what the note is, but yeah. See, you see what they are. See, very old ones. And I do have some ancient ones, but not as many as the world coins I have or other coins. So yep, here we go. So I bought five of them, and email me for full attribution of details once cleaned. Oh wow, okay. From appearance 2 to 3 is Constantine, Constantinium, or Constantinian dynasty. One, one's this. I don't know. The other one is Claudius, and then Balance. Oh wow, okay. Oh, that's good. We'll clean it and then email him. So see, they are very old. So don't know much about cleaning this, but you can still see the paste though. You still see the paste. All right. It's about $5 per piece, and just want to have fun cleaning coins and identifying it. And yes, it does need some cleaning, but you can clearly see what they are. See, according to him, we can clean it with distilled water or the normal coins. I clean it with baking soda actually. So you imagine, it's been there on the dirt for how many centuries, or how many years. Yeah, this one. See, I like the thing. I don't know if it's Claudius or Balance or maybe Constantine. You can clearly see the wordings actually. Wow, it's gonna be fun cleaning it out and identifying them. And yes, we'll see what they are. I'll make a video for it when when I finish cleaning it and identifying it, so so everyone can see. So I do hope you all have a good day and stay safe. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.